Try this one thing and watch how people treat you differently. There are two kinds of people in every room. The first kind walks in and the room adjusts to them. The second walks in and silently adjusts to the room. You've been the second, your whole life. You speak and people talk over you. You smile and they barely notice. You try to be liked and somehow they like you less. It's like being that kid in school, the one who helps everyone but still eats lunch alone. But then someone else walks in, someone confident, unbothered, grounded. Suddenly, everything changes. People wait when they speak. They don't say much, but they get the most respect in the room. Why? Because in every interaction, there's a hidden game being played. And the rule is simple. Dominance is never spoken, it's felt. The one who rushes to fill silence loses. The one who fidgets, nods too much, laughs unnecessarily, they lose. Not because they're weak, but because they signal weakness. And the person who does the opposite, the one who moves slowly, holds stillness, speaks like they're in no hurry, that's the one everyone pays attention to. It's not volume that commands respect. It's weight. It's presence. And presence isn't about words. It's about how much space you take without even trying. Here's the truth. Most people shrink. They rush. They adjust. They give up power before they even open their mouth. But you can flip this. You can walk into a room and shift the entire energy without saying a single word. How? With the gravity anchor. Not a gesture, not a pose, a way of holding yourself so solid that the world adjusts around you. Here's the rule. Slow down. Plant yourself like a mountain. Don't nod instantly. Hold eye contact. Let silence build pressure. When you move, move deliberately, like every motion has weight. People will feel it before they understand it, because humans don't consciously notice stillness, but they obey it. That's why those who master it don't chase attention, they anchor it. Start today. Watch how people slow down when they talk to you. Watch how they listen more, respect more, follow more. Because real power isn't loud, it's still. And once you master that stillness, people won't just treat you differently, they'll never see you the same again.